Yeah, afternoon Instafam. Hope everybody's doing well. Figured while I was home during quarantine, I would spend some time and install this Molder Innovations third rear brake light in my 2018 WRX. I picked it up from Subimods at last year's SubiFest in Pasadena, California, and it's been sitting in the box for a couple months. So I figured now is the greatest time as ever to keep myself occupied and do a little minor modifications to my car. This adds a third rear brake light with that F1 style. So I got the complete kit, and shout out to Subimods for, of course, hooking me up with the deal while out there at SubiFest. So inside the box, it comes with that third rear brake light. I went with the red lens. Of course, I have the 3 nuts to install, the speed clip and the pop clip. Comes with it everything that you need really to make a very clean install. My brackets, some trusty dusty zip ties to secure the harness along the way. I bought the kit with the plug and play harness so that I didn't have to do any cutting or modifications to the existing harness. And of course the harness needed to plug the rear brake light assembly into the stock harness as well. So anyway, it should be a pretty overall simple install. There's a great YouTube video out on their website, actually out on YouTube, that Subimods have provided, and of course I've gone ahead and watched that several times. So don't have the car jacked up, but we'll take pictures along the way. So it should be a pretty straightforward, simple install. I'll shoot some videos as I go, and then I'll produce my own little video, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys how everything went. So anyway, hope your Saturday is going good. Hope you guys are being productive and staying safe, and I will come back and talk to you later. Thanks.